First thing is this driver of this crappy Suzuki runs the stop sign.
God, it's brutal out here.
Then after that, almost stops to go to the roundabout when it's apparent that nobody is coming in his direction. And look at this vehicle. I mean, seriously, what kind of vehicle even is this thing happens after we get our breakfast? This driver of this nasty food company runs the stop sign.
Oh, stupid truck! You didn't even stop!
And then never gets to speed for the time that we're on this road.
Now I gotta wait for you to accelerate, which takes 20 minutes.
There's some backstory to this clip, but apparently I didn't save the front clip. But this Ram driver, he was struggling to get out of his own way, and now he just turns without using the turn lane and cuts someone off in the process. Driver, I probably would have honked that, in other words. Delivery driver blows the right on red right as I enter the intersection. A pair of misery drivers struggle to enter the turn lane. Something that's very simple that is made so hard. Here's another driver that has a hard time changing lanes and actually ends up cutting me off. I kinda did honk at this driver as a result of a reflex action, but it wasn't loud enough or long enough, so therefore the fact that I haven't honked this year as of this point still stands. And here we have yet another mentally challenged driver just fails to acknowledge the stop sign. Here's another near honking situation. This driver keeps braking as the light turns green.
Oh!
And then just struggles to get out of their own way. I was kind of thankful for that Nissan driver moments earlier because here I most definitely would have honked. A driver comes to a complete stop at a yellow light.
You stopped at the yellow light, are you completely off you?
With all the stupidity on the road I've seen, this was expected to happen.
Well, that was going to happen given all the stupid stuff I've seen today.
This driver was probably pulled over for running a red light or for not getting out of their own way. Guess this driver didn't notice the driver pulled over moments earlier because he runs the red light. Silverado driver turns without indicating, and I have some fun with that with the song playing on my radio.
Stupid driver, stupid driver. Stupid driver, stupid driver, stupid driver. Stupid driver, stupid driver, stupid driver.
And that's it for today's show. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Here's a preview of the next video. And be sure to check out the links shown here for more videos that you might like. And the year just started, so there's still plenty of room to change your driving habits.